Hi there. Are you looking to make some extra money online? There are tons of opportunities out there, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most effective ways to do it. First, let's talk about freelancing. If you have a specific skill or expertise, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services on freelance job websites like Upwork or Freelancer. These platforms allow you to bid on projects and work with clients from all over the world. Another option is to start your own online business. This could be anything from selling physical products on a platform like Etsy or Amazon, to offering digital products or services on your own website. Building an online business takes time and effort, but it can be a great way to make a passive income. You can also make money online by completing tasks or participating in market research. Websites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars offer paid surveys and other tasks that you can do in your spare time. Finally, if you're skilled at creating content, you can monetize your expertise by starting a YouTube channel, writing a blog, or posting on social media platforms. By building an audience and providing value, you can monetize your content through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by selling products or services. These are just a few of the many ways you can make money online. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests, and to be consistent and dedicated in your efforts. With hard work and a little bit of luck, you can turn your online endeavors into a successful and lucrative career. Thanks for watching. I hope these ideas have given you some inspiration for ways to make more money online.